ask how she's doing.
He's helping her pull her head out of her cloud.
Repeat after me. How are you?
How are you?
Good. East of the fountain, there's some marine warnings out over the lake. We've had periods of thunderstorms during the morning hours, but no watches nor warnings in effect right now for any of our counties, unlike at the top of the show when I was talking with you. Well, here we had all of these thunderstorms coming through. Boy, they have been producing some really heavy rains. Now moving into northern Indiana. No warnings in place at this time, but this stuff is going to continue to move to the east. Griffith, Indiana, most likely you are seeing or just about to see some of those real heavy downpours coming into Hobart, Indiana very, very shortly. Burns Harbor, you're looking at probably after noontime before you start to get on some of those. Bourbonnais, Kankakee, Manteno, you're earmarked for a couple more of these thunderstorms. Vivid lightning displays coming in with these thunderstorms, too. As you can see, south of the city is mainly where we are seeing much of the activity right now. But this is all moving to the east at about 25 miles per hour. And the cloud tops on these, they've gone up from what I've been watching with our verticals here up to 40,000 feet. These particular cells around Kankakee up to 30,000 feet. So these have been pretty heavy rain producers, even some small hail, too. Now, I don't think we're entirely done with thunderstorm activity for the entire day, but most likely during the evening hours, it will surface during probably along and south of I-80, again, mainly during the evening. And our Futurecast model here is now keeping tomorrow morning dry. Looking at our cameras all around the area from our First Alert weather stations out in Geneva, you're probably about to see some sun if you're not seeing it just yet. Some drizzle holding on at O'Hare, 71, dew point 64. AccuWeather is reporting a north wind now, 74 at Midway, Hammond, Indiana at 81 degrees. Becoming partly sunny, still kind of humid, and perhaps an evening storm out there yet to go today. Our highs in the low to mid-80s with the help of some of that sunshine that will be visible for many of us very shortly. 77 for a high temperature tomorrow. And we'll pause here. Windy.